Fulton County prosecutors say Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, is one of the founders of Young Slime Life, a violent Atlanta street gang.
Now, the rapper says he's an artist who's been falsely accused.
Copies of the witness list for the prosecution and the defense. They contain hundreds of names in total, big names like Lil Wayne. Prosecutors say Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, led YSL, what they call a violent street gang that used drugs, even murder, to make money.
Hey Gossip fam, we've got a story that's sending shockwaves through the hip-hop community. Rich homie Quan is set to testify in the Young Thug YSL Rico trial. This is huge news, and we've got all the juicy details. Let's get into it. Welcome back to What's the Gossip? Today we're diving into a major development in the world of hip-hop. Rich homie Quan, a well-known figure in the industry, is about to take the stand in the Rico trial involving Young Thug and YSL. This story is exploding, and it's got everyone talking.
A half a year has gone by. Dozens of witnesses have been called to testify, and it's still anyone's guess how or when this trial will end.
Stay tuned because we're unraveling all the twists and turns of this dramatic case. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Here's what's happening. Rich homie Quan, who once had a close relationship with Young Thug, is now set to testify in the ongoing Rico trial against Thug and the YSL gang. This trial has captured the attention of the hip-hop world, with serious charges like drug trafficking and violent crimes on the table. Quan and Thugger were once collaborators, producing hits like Lifestyle. However, their relationship soured over time, and now Quan's testimony could play a crucial role in this high-stakes trial. The YSL Rico trial aims to dismantle what prosecutors describe as a dangerous gang. Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, faces charges that could lead to a lengthy prison sentence. With Quan taking the stand, the stakes are higher than ever. Sources suggest that Quan's testimony could provide key insights into the operations of YSL and Young Thug's alleged criminal activities. This development has sparked intense debate and speculation within the hip-hop community. The hip-hop world is buzzing with opinions about Quan's decision to testify. Some see it as a betrayal, while others believe he's doing the right thing by speaking out. It's a polarizing issue that's dividing fans and artists alike.
According to reports, Quan has been served a summons to take the stand as a witness in the case. The prosecution claims that Quan has previously given a police statement that will be read in court during his testimony. However, it's unclear whether Quan will actually provide evidence against Thug.
Rich homie Quan stepping into this trial is like throwing a grenade into an already explosive situation. Their past collaboration and subsequent fallout add a dramatic layer to this trial. Quan's testimony could either bolster the prosecution's case or throw them a curveball. It's wild to see how things have escalated between these former friends.
And so when did that fall apart? And was it abrupt or sudden that you guys just stopped having anything to do with each other, or how did that unfold?
We all got our own side. The shit started falling apart. I feel like when we start going on, we start getting booked for shows and shit. And ego played a big role in it.
I don't think we can be like how we used to be.
Right.
He already did. He already just did some bullshit. He already know my heart. So it's like, I'm too pure. So once you just, you do that, it's like, no.
The Rico charges against Young Thug and YSL are part of a broader effort to crack down on gang activities. Authorities are pulling out all the stops to bring down what they consider organized crime. And this trial could set a new standard for how the legal system handles similar cases in the future. Adding more heat to the fire, Lil Wayne's name has also been mentioned in the trial. Wayne and Young Thug have a history of beef, making this trial even more intense. The legal proceedings are drawing in some of the biggest names in the industry, making this a landmark case in hip-hop history.
I don't think that nigga like me. He's really spoiled. He's been a millionaire. He's been a superstar since he was 9 years old. Mm-hmm. The first thing that don't go his way, it probably don't have nothing in the world to do with me.
This is the prosecution witness list. It contains names like Lil Wayne. It is very long. Now, legal experts we speak with say this trial could take 9 months and be complicated.
Could this trial be a game changer for the hip-hop industry? What impact will Quan's testimony have on Young Thug's fate? Stick around as we dive deeper into this gripping story. The implications of this trial are massive. If Quan's testimony is as impactful as expected, it could spell big trouble for Young Thug. The hip-hop community is watching closely, and the outcome could set a precedent for holding artists accountable for alleged criminal activities. The personal dynamics between Quan and Thug add another layer of intrigue. Their once strong friendship turned rivalry is now playing out in the courtroom, adding to the drama of this high-profile case.
A fan page, which is probably just the company, the label, running this Twitter page. It says Thugger Daily. It says they posted, Rich Homie Quan has officially been subpoenaed by the state in the Young Thug case. He is expected to take the stand in the upcoming few weeks. Just to be clear, this does not mean he cooperated or will cooperate.
This trial isn't just about legal issues. It's about the intersection of music and crime and how deeply those connections run in the hip-hop world. It's a stark reminder of the real-life consequences that come with the fame and lifestyle of these artists. This trial could send shockwaves through the hip-hop industry. It's a wake-up call for artists involved in questionable activities. Quan's decision to testify might inspire others to come forward, or it could deepen the rift between different factions within the community. Either way, it's a pivotal moment.
Summon our juries, please. Summon our juries. Have a seat, madam.
Dozens of witnesses have testified.
Good afternoon, Mr. Murphy.
What's up?
Some more cooperative than others.
No, I don't remember saying that. What do these dudes got to do with me?
I'm so high right now, y'all. I'm about to go to sleep on y'all.
Similar concerns shared by defense attorneys and even the judge, who lately has been putting pressure on defense attorneys and prosecutors to pick up the pace.
It's just not fair. It's not fair to this jury. We're going to have them here till well into 26 if we don't do that.
Before we wrap up, consider this. What does this trial mean for the future of Young Thug and the YSL gang? Could this be a turning point in hip-hop's relationship with the law? Stay tuned as we continue to follow this explosive story. Don't miss out on any updates about this high-stakes trial. Make sure to subscribe to What's the Gossip and hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when we drop new videos. Drop a comment below. What do you think about Rich Homie Quan testifying against Young Thug? Let's get the conversation going. As this case develops, we'll keep you updated with all the latest news, from the courtroom drama to the potential fallout. What's the Gossip is your go-to source for all the details. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep questioning, gossip lovers.